I'm at the puppy store.
I like that you guys have cream on first and then there's don't put it on.
That's the cutest thing ever. Oh my god.
He's $2,599.
Oh, it's okay. That looks good. He's fun.
Kind of ugly.
No, he's not. He just has to kind of little. He has his hair.
His hair is weird looking.
Those are the cutest puppies you've ever seen.
Yes. Aw, they're fighting. Look at that little black one. It looks like a toy. Oh my god.
That one looks like Gizmo from the Gremlins. Don't feed me after midnight.
Oh, I like that black one so much.
Look at they're trying to push each other through the wall.
Oh, they love each other.
And then there's a Chihuahua.
Ew.
To end it up, there's a Chihuahua. Hey, Chihuahua. Yo, Kiro.
There's a puzzle.
A puzzle? What's a puzzle?
The beetle and a pup?
What if it's an ugly dog?
It's not. It's cute.